What's happening? I'm Robert Amador. Welcome back to Tech Setup. In this video, we're going to do an i7 computer upgrade. I'm recycling parts from an MSI motherboard. It has an Intel i7 3770 and 32 gigs of memory. All other parts are new. Check it out. These are the parts we're using for this build. If you want to check out the parts and buy some cool technology, I listed them in the description. When you click on the links, it takes you to our Amazon Associate account. When you complete your purchase, it will help us build more cool videos like this one. Thank you for watching. Subscribe now. Robert Amador signing out. I will see you in the next video.